Kesorkar Meghalaya kalashimya karai ban pha kat tu kat ningut ki samla ki beladon benta ha kejing penya ye ki kam ki jam jungok kai perthai la ni ka tourism ban jungok bat pentebet shu ha Philippines. Uba polling do Menteri Penroi Tourism ulai thu ha ka santrik ha ki nong thok khobor ba ka sorkar Meghalaya kan sapha ki breu ki belatrai ha ni ka kam ban jungok ki jaka ha Philippines khnang bikin la ban Penroi shu ka tourism ha ni ka jela. Uba pol ulo ongru bahagi por bandang wan ke sorkar kan sepha ke samla pule pan pentebet ha kam jungok kai perthai ha kategori. Unong kit ketin keri bethamai jong ke India UH Jane Ambassador ha Philippines ulawan jungok ke Meghalaya shwaban shimti ke syuki ha Manila ban yu imar khmat ke jingroi jong tourism ha kini ke jela. Ulo ong bo uthrang ban kentiu ki samla ke jela ha kini ke liang. Ka Meghalaya ka don ka jingade bayajan bha bat kari Philippines na mar ki brio jing kini ki arthli ki jaka ki bang ya karwai ka siaw ka put ka tem bat ka shat ka kemen. Ka ketin pedeng ru ka day ka paring leni ki English ka ba ki brio ki sngaw thu mar ka liang. Na lor ka tabun ki brio ka Meghalaya bat ka Philippines ki day ki ba nakinyam Kristan.
Ngadang shu yo banyak kendo mantan ya Mr. Harsh Kumar Jain bolawan ban jungo yang hani hak office trekam secretariat lalong teng nongkit tins im ambassador juga India hari Ukraine but mentau net hak next stint jungu the posting jungu kabare Philippines di kajing jungo kajing wan ni kendu jungu yang kalong kemu menteri badepek ya tourism kekamsan jungo perthai arts and culture namar gidan bun ki aka ki wa kini ki artali ka Meghalaya bat ka Philippines ki yasriam kawai ka dai kajing klan jongi hagal yang kaput kadem ka bakiru ki klan ba te ni laikran sepang kumno ba kinau rai ki jongki kinyo ban jungo ka jala jongi bat ki jongi ya kari ki jongki bat kumju ba nama kila khamyat maki khamsha khamat kumno ba nginyo ban learn ru naki te ni lai penbet ru ba ni ka program ka jungi ka Meghalaya grassroots music production MGMP ngin kan long ka jing plialenti ba ki kena samla ki jongi ki ba mata don kumba lai hajar tam apo jong kan ka MGMP kin la ban yo lat ban lai ban pen i ka sap ka pong jongki sha Philippines but ki jongki ru ba kin yo ban wan sha ka jala ka jongi.
Your purpose of visiting Shillong?
Well, the purpose of my visit to Shillong is to promote relations between the Northeast region and Philippines, where I'm going as ambassador in about next few weeks' time. You are perhaps aware about Act East policy of the Government of India, which primarily the objective is to promote relations between the Northeast region of India and countries of the ASEAN, in the Southeast Asia. So I have come here to acquaint myself with the culture, with the history, as well as developments in the state of Meghalaya, and also, the tourism potential of the state. Happy to support them in any way they would want, and I'll be in touch with the students when they reach Manila, and I'll suggest them to be in contact with the embassy. I'll be very happy to meet them if at any point of time they would want to come and see me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, sir. Okay, sir.